Hello! Today I cooked easy noodle which is called Kaosoy, but it's not really Kaosoy. I'm not really have patience to take time and cook. I purchased instant noodle and I purchased everything. The chili paste, Kasoy chili paste. And then I just cook the soup first, put the sliced chicken and sliced onion, bell pepper, and then stir fry chicken first a little bit in the oil and then add water. Supposed to add coconut milk, but today I don't want coconut milk. And then I add chili paste, Kaosoy chili paste, just that, no seasoning at all, not much spicy for us, and use instant noodle, boiling in hot water only 3 minutes, if not, the noodle gonna be very soft and not tasty. I try already. I don't like that condition. So this is all very simple, easy, and yum. But if you're interested to see real Kaosoy, just look to it.